It is with great humility that I address you. Our duty to history and to our nation must guide us. Let us proceed with wisdom.
Let us uphold truth and honor in all our endeavors.
A popular government without popular information, or the means of acquiring it, is but a prologue to a farce or a tragedy. Knowledge will forever govern ignorance.
Wisdom is not merely the accumulation of knowledge, but the thoughtful application of it.
The foundation of a free society is the cultivation of reason. Without it, liberty is but a fleeting shadow.
I have lived through times of great change and challenge. It is through reflection that we find our true path.
History teaches us that great nations are built not by chance, but by the wisdom of their leaders and the resolve of their people.
The advancement of knowledge is the highest duty of mankind. We must question the world around us to find truth. This is the essence of progress.
The passage of time is relentless, and we are but its humble servants. In our youth we chase dreams, in age we cherish the quiet moments.
The true value of our ideas lie in their endurance. They shape the world long after we are gone.
Time has a way of etching its mark upon us all. We must find solace in the enduring spirit of our endeavors. Soldiers, the hour of trial is upon us. Stand firm, united in purpose and courage. Let honor guide your every action. Victory will be ours.
As the years pass, we reflect on the paths we've walked. Time reveals our true strength and the wisdom we've gained. Cherish these lessons.
We must hold fast to truth. Truth is the highest thing that man may keep. Let reason be our guide. Time is a relentless river, carrying us all. In its flow, we find our truest selves.
Fourscore and 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty, and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal.
The passage of time is relentless. We must face our trials with dignity. In reflection, we find our truest strength.
My fellow citizens, we must persevere through these trials. With integrity and resolve, we shall overcome and secure our future. My fellow citizens, we stand at a pivotal moment in history. The pursuit of knowledge is our greatest ally. Let us advance with wisdom and courage. My fellow citizens, we must reflect on the lessons of history. Those who fail to learn from the past are doomed to repeat it. Let us choose a wiser path.
My friends, we stand at a pivotal moment in our history. Let us seize this opportunity with courage and unity. Together, we shall build a future worthy of our legacy. My fellow citizens, we must unite to face the challenges of our time. Together, we can build a prosperous future. My friends, time moves swiftly, and we must cherish each day. Perseverance in the face of adversity builds true character. Hold fast to your dreams and never surrender. My fellow citizens, we must stand united. Together, we can overcome any obstacle. Let us build a future of prosperity and peace. The weight of our decisions rests upon us all. We must act with wisdom, for time is fleeting. My fellow citizens, we stand at a pivotal moment in our history. The challenges before us are great, but so is our resolve. My fellow citizens, we stand at a pivotal moment in our nation's history. The challenges we face demand our unwavering resolve and collective strength. Let us move forward with courage and unity. My fellow citizens, we gather at a pivotal moment. The challenges we face demand more than words. They require our courage and our unity. Let us act together. The weight of it grows heavier with time, but one must face the consequences. We face a grave challenge, but through unity and perseverance, we can overcome any obstacle. Let us stand together. Good evening. In these challenging times, innovation is not just an option, it's a necessity. We must collaborate to overcome obstacles and drive progress forward. Together, we can shape a better future for everyone. This decision will shape our future. I sign it with full conviction. History will judge this moment. In times of great change, we must draw on the lessons of the past and face the future with courage and wisdom. This is our greatest duty. My fellow citizens, we must persevere. By working together, we can overcome any challenge. Let us look to the future with unity and resolve. Thank you. My fellow Americans, we face a new frontier. Our challenges demand courage, innovation, and resolve. Together, we can forge a stronger future. Let us begin. My fellow Americans, we face a grave challenge. Our response is swift and decisive. We will restore order and security. God bless you and God bless America. My fellow Americans, we face a pivotal moment in our nation's history. It demands our unity, our courage, and our unwavering resolve. Together, we will persevere and emerge stronger. My fellow Americans, we gather in a moment of great importance. Our shared values of freedom and democracy must guide us. Together, we will build a brighter future. My fellow Americans, I stand before you in the Oval Office to discuss the challenges we face. Our administration is committed to pursuing peace and economic stability for all. With your support, we can overcome these challenges and build a stronger future. Freedom is never more than one generation away from extinction. We didn't pass it to our children in the bloodstream. It must be fought for, protected, and passed on. My fellow Americans, we stand at a pivotal moment in our nation's history. Together, we must unite to overcome the challenges ahead. Let us reaffirm our commitment to freedom, justice, and prosperity for all. Thank you, and God bless America. My fellow Americans, we face challenges, but I am confident in our future. Our economy is strong, and we must invest in the American people. Together, we will build a brighter tomorrow for all. My fellow Americans, we stand at a pivotal moment in our history. Our commitment to freedom and justice remains unwavering.
My fellow Americans, in this moment of challenge, we must find strength in our unity. Let us rise above division and work together for the common good. Our best days are still ahead. My fellow Americans, we are making tremendous progress. Our economy is booming and jobs are coming back. We will build the wall and keep our country safe. America will be greater than ever before. Good afternoon. Today I'm pleased to report our economy is showing real strength. We are creating jobs and building the middle class. This is how we rebuild better, together.
My fellow Americans, I stand before you today in the Oval Office. We have accomplished so much together. We will continue to make America great again. Thank you.